Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mustaba. 8th of January 2025, first video of 2025 recording, and it will be a detailed Bitcoin analysis, whether we are bullish, we are bearish, and what to do and what not to do. So first of all, before going on analysis, I will address some what I say events in like today is an 8th of January. So at on 10th of January there is a verdict against Trump. That is the event. And on 20th of Jan there is another event which is a Trump inauguration. So these are two big events. I am not seeing a 10th one is that much big because Trump is coming in office. So I don't think so. They will go against him and do. He is already a anti-establishment boy, so they will not tease him anymore. But 10th January is a date to be kept in mind. So now back on chart 10th and 20th January. These are important ones. Important events in the world are happening. So yes, we have to keep eye on them. Now on charts, what is going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin tapped all-time high at 108 in 2024, like December 17 December we tapped and we are going down. But before tapping it, we had some city PA, this one overlapping PA, which we call it. We had this double sworded candle here. Bang, bang, both sides get knocked out on it. And after then we had small rally, then go down like yesterday. Again we got down. Before that we had a good green week. A good trading momentum was building here, but again they flash out whole this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days green in just one day, 1 and 2. Another is also doing its fookery. It's not looking good. First, whether I am bullish, yes, in long term I am bullish on it, but right now, what is going on? A bit I'm bearish. Why I'm bearish? I will explain it first. We'll discuss bearish scenario. Then keep in mind that bearish scenario in your mind, and then we will go for the bullish scenario as well. So how we will be bullish? It's daily chart. Structure wise, we had a overlapping structure. This one we don't we were it's very difficult to read out like higher high, higher low, again higher high. This higher high I will not consider, but again candle closes here, higher high, higher low, again higher high. Then we broke this higher low into a lower low, excluding these wicks. I'm excluding wicks here. And then we had a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then this is a MSB. Someone I am also counting as a MSB, but it's not an MSB right now. Why? I will show you this, and why I am counting this as a structure, bullish structure shift here, and what levels to be held in this zone to prove my point on bullish scenario. On bearish scenario, when it was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, low, lower high, lower low, and then sweep of this high, again going for lower low. So it in bullish scenario, it is totally an inducement happened here. This is a fake out. Why? Why it is a fake out? Let me show you that. When we made this lower low here, we had a big untapped fair value gap here with daily supply above it. So we had to tap it. We didn't tap here. So this whole move is a lower low. We created a lower high. Now we are going back down. With that, if I see this move here, we had OTE zone also here. We didn't tap. Yes, we tagged here. We retest it and then we are going down. Now look at this bearish scenario here from this zone. This is a bearish fair value gap. Usually I don't count these fair value gaps on lower time frame. Just I use it for entries, but this is a daily chart, so these gaps did matter at crucial levels while you had a major supply up there. So these matters a lot. So it tapped this one and then we go down. So now look at the structure: lower, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, tapped. Are you counting this as a lower high, lower high, lower low? Now look at this sweep or fake out into. Now we will see the whole this move OTE zone. Here it is from high to low. We tagged in it the bank. So this from this point of view, it looks like we had this yesterday on Monday. This was a proper fake move, and we are going for a new lower low now. With that, uh, move, we had plenty of resistance building up now. This is the daily resistance up here, but we had a trend line resistance as well here in this zone. So this fair value gap already tapped. Now we can go to retest this zone and then we can go down. Now another point, important thing is I will only use important things on my chart. Other than those other lines, I will remove. Where are our liquidities? Because market look for liquidity. So here is internal liquidity I have, and here is an external liquidity it is. I will mark as a dollar. And the internal external leave it it is. So two liquidities are there. Structure is structure is favoring this one to be taken out. This liquidity to be taken out because we came back down here twice, thrice this zone, but we front ran somehow we front ran it and we go back towards upside. So when we create first higher high, higher low, then this we got a sweep of this low, we got sweep of this low as well, and then we moved up. But now problem is structure wise. In first scenario, we are making lower low, lower highs, and this confirmed the lower high from this point of view from OTE zone, the whole impulse we retested, and then we are going back to get this. Because in generally, if you neglect this is a daily chart, if you are watching out an H1 or lower time frame, this is a perfect short, like this is a perfect short trade from OTE. Target is this one. So it's on daily. We will have small bounces from it, but till then, this is the on bearish scenario. This is the mm, final target we will have. Yes, they will take it out and like they will do something like this. Take it out, go up. Okay, again take it out. Okay, now we are going back up. But for that we have to break these levels as well. There are important levels. First level is okay. This is the whole bearish scenario up here, down here. Sorry, that we tagged in bearish FEG and then we are going back down. Now, okay, this is a fake out. This is not an uh, MSV candle, but it is we. we had like lower lows, we higher high, higher lower low, lower high, lower low, and higher high. So for that higher high, if this is a good bullish higher high, then this low should not be break down. Mark this as with yourself. I'm excluding VIX. Mark this is with yourself and wait for it. If daily closes below here, this will mark a new lower low. Like somehow daily closes somewhere here. It means that this was a proper freak out and our reading of bearish scenario is right. So it means whenever we will get any pullback, that will be again lower high. So we will short. We will short, and if this liquidity is taken out on this closing down, then we will look for new liquidities to target. Or whatever low created here, we will target that low. Otherwise, daily doesn't close below here. It came down here. There are possibilities that it came here and it do wick shake game like this. If it does like this, then okay, we are good, and this is a daily demand demand up here, daily demand, and this is not a fake out. It's a bullish MSB, bullish structure shift up here. So we are holding up here. We will see whether price is doing something like this here in the zone, making giving a slower time frame MSB then BUS. It means that this bullish structure is confirmed here. This is a bullish MSB and not a fake out. It's not a fake out here. It will confirm in this whole zone. This is the zone from here to here. This is a range. Impulsive move I marked. This is a range. So below 0.5, these are the discounted values. This is a bullish MSB. Why I am using if and I am not confirmed bullish MSB because I have a major liquidity placed below here and this is external liquidity. So this is all time high we created. There are less chances that we move here and pull many chances we had this to grab this up. Okay, that's why I'm using the word if whether this is bullish MSB or not. If yes, then hold these zones here because in this demand we had this one is an yearly open as well. So we had yearly open here. We had discounted values here. If I see the OTE zone is here. 0.71 reacted really good till now. So if yes, from if prices are not coming down for this demand, we are already into a daily fair value gap down here. We have, I will remove this. This is a daily bullish MSB here. Like bearish sorry, fair value gap up there, tap, bank. We had this bullish just above demand. So yearly open, I will remove and keeping up this low. I will see if daily closes. We have plenty of time to see this. If daily closes below here, it will confirm new lower low and then we will go for bounce till where we had this trend line liquidity here. So it means if prices close down, then whatever closes up here, resistance will be a short trade. But for that, we have to close here, below here. Okay, bearish scenario clear. Now bullish scenario, we had prices already in OTE zone. We had daily this one. This is okay. I will remove this because daily demand tapped already. This is the whole big daily demand, and we have a level down here which is a yearly open. So In this zone, there are many, many, many things lining up that this is a bullish MSB. But for confirming, we would wait for lower time frame shift. If yes, something like this happened, go in it. We are going towards this high again. Other than that, no, we are not going towards that high. If they are making lower time frame, lower lows and lower highs, okay, we are still in a gray zone until unless they didn't break that lower time frame structure into a bullish structure. Because lower time frame, if you see, it is just bleeding out. Bang, lower low, lower low, lower low. It is lower lows. So it tapped in daily demand now. We will see how it will react. Lower low, lower high, again lower low. So it means this is the bullish MSB here on lower time frame. For bullish, if you think that this close was a bullish daily BOS, then it will confirm that this move will confirm it. That this is a proper demand and don't open short. Don't open short in these zones. It will confirm that. But if we didn't get that lower time frame MSB, then we will wait to confirmation. I mean, this is old demand. Price is going up from here. It might go up from here. It might go up from here because the demand is really big. It's from like 91 to 95k, 4k demand. So it will take some time in this demand. Better to consolidate here, a bullish structure here, and then go up. That will be a good, better zone. Okay. Another thing, now this is also important one. I will exclude VIX and I will keep this demand as like this. So this is important one. I will keep it. Now SR levels. One we had this one. This is a good support band. Very good support band here. And another one is this one. This one is a bearish scenario like resistance band here. And we had this trend line. Now look at this. If daily close is below here, lower low confirmed, go up here, tap in it, bang it, short it down again. But there are chances that because this trend line will be acting as a resistance in a future, in near future, because this is a big resistance. Whenever look at this sell off, we confirmed this trend line here and then sell off. So 1 hour, it is not, it will take time. It will take some time to break it out. Like if you are looking for breakout, it will take some time. It will go for taps here, bank, reject, sweeps down here, and then it will explode, and that explosion will be a good explosion. So till then we had these important levels, and this is chart you need right now because breaking down this trend line, breaking down breakout of this trend line will not be easy. While USDT dominance is taking support from its daily demand from the key SR levels, weekly SR levels. USDT dominance is taking its demand from its like in last video if you see that I mark this structure here that there are chances that we might take a bounce here and then go down. But right now it's a yesterday bounce and today bounce is not looking like a weak one. It's a crazy one. So that's the reason I'm saying that Bitcoin will take some time to break that trend line. So whatever bounces came down, came down, sweep liquidities, then bounce. It will be like this. So this is it from my side on Bitcoin. No deployment already. I have deployed many and many coins from bottom, so I am enjoying chilling. Right now, price is in like it is ranging, so we will behave and we will respect the price, like it is doing what it is doing. It doesn't mean I am bullish, so I will look for long, 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 and while structure is making lower lows. So if the structure is making lower lows, I have to short. Why I am longing? I am not like bearish on the markets, no. But chart says be cautious. Yes, I have bullish scenario. I have explained it how this will be a bullish scenario. This will not be a fake out here. Tapped already tapped in a demand. Give us H4, H1, MSB here. Good push up here. Then on retest we will bid on it. So what there are chances that we have now one more thing. This is a trend line. We have SR level. Price came down here. Give us MSB here. Okay, long it. Where will you take target this? No. Chart says go get out on these zones because it will confirm deviation here in this below as well. Lower time frame it confirm deviation. So whatever MSB given here, get in longs and 99. This is the zone. Get out. If it give us a breakout, okay. No worries. On a retest, we will again get into it. But this is the range we are playing right now. Daily demand, we will see whether it will work or not. Hopefully it work. But this is our level and this is the range we are looking for it. Like we can do this shit here as well. We close really red candle and the next day all green above here. So Bitcoin will do and it's start of new year. I'm not looking for lower time frame like what we do, what will happen. Just I give you a path, keep eye on it and do what it is like. Ethereum, not going in depth as well. Ethereum, I have marked what I have marked. Okay, this is a daily support and this is a important, this zone is an important daily SR level. So a spot play here and this is H4. So if prices came down here, yes, I will take a long here in this zone, like something like this. Why I will take it, I will explain it. First, I give you exact entry. These, these. Yes. If if it doesn't take support in this zone and price start to move down, I will yes, probably I will 100% take bids here, keep bid on here. What will be the target? Yes, small target it will be like here, somewhere here I will float, but I will take long in this zone. Why I will take long here? This is H for demand. H for demand it is and it already reacted so well here in this zone. From this bounce, it moved up like 20%. So there are chances, and yes, it will react here. At least it will give us a bounce of 5 to 6% bounce here. A quick scalp I am looking for on Ethereum. If not given, then yes, stop will be in place. Bad scenario. So we will see that. Other than that, right now it is taking also support on lower time daily support line, and a good buyback candle here. Same lower time frame BUS is this one. So close it above here and then give us some entry here, sexy entry. This zone will be the target. Same scenario with Bitcoin. This will be the target, but confirmation. Waiting for confirmation, like I am waiting for confirmation on Bitcoin as well. So this is BUS zone. Look at this one. Now there are chances that price can go like this, move up, tapped here, and then bank. Because not confirmed yet. We have too many resistance building up while USDT dominance is taking support. Bro, it is taking support. So that's a bit of uh, sardat for me. Ethereum, simple. For now, yes, I will wait for lower time frame count. While higher time frame, my view is clear. I will bid in this zone. I will take position here and I will exit somewhere here like 1.5 2 hour trade. Once if price came down here, it reacted. I will add some more with smaller, tiny stop loss, and I will try to maximize my profit in this zone. So this is it from my side. Hopefully you understand, and because everyone has their own analysis. Someone says we are bullish, something someone says we are bearish, we are going up, we are going down, but they are not giving you any reasons. I explained both scenarios: long scenario, bullish scenario, and bearish scenario. So hopefully it will help you. And for Discord, people asking me for Discord. Yes, I have a free Discord. I will post link there, and if someone wants to get some fee rebate, so sign up through my link with Bybit. I have partners, so save your 20% as well there. This is small marketing from my side, and take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in next week. We will see how PA will unfold after this. Allah Hafiz.